Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about the types of farming. This is chapter 4, agriculture, for class 10th, geography. This is second lecture of agriculture chapter, which I had started day before. Now in a previous video we had studied about the importance of farming and ancient mode of farming, means primitive mode of farming, how people use the old method, means how they are doing farming with the use of hoe, dhow, digging stick, with their bullocks, plow of wood, which were used earlier, but still in some patches of our country this type of farming is done. But you know that the population is very high, our population is very high, so to feed the population, this ancient method of farming is not enough. We'll have to do intensive farming, means new method of farming. So yesterday we studied about the primitive subsistence, and just opposite of primitive subsistence is intensive subsistence. What happens in intensive subsistence? This farming is done over those areas where population density is very high and it needs a large number of labor. Means you cannot work here with your family members. Very large number of labor is needed. Then high dose of chemical fertilizer, irrigation, insecticide, pesticides, everything is needed. And high yielding variety seeds, means HYV seeds. This is most essential thing. Then every new technique is used to get maximum amount of food grain from the limited amount of land. And this thing is done to feed the higher population, as well as one more thing is very important for intensive farming, that intensive subsistence farming, that is right of inheritance in our country. Means suppose one person has 10 acres of land and he has 4 children. Now what will happen, that his 10 acres of land will be divided among his 4 children. Now each one will get 2.5 acres. This person who had 10 acres of land, that person was surviving on this 10 acres of land. He was doing farming, he was growing crops over this 10 acres of land and feeding his 6 family members, means he himself, his wife and his 4 children. But now what will happen? Now the land has got divided and one child will have to feed his family over 2.5 acre of land. Means if that one child is having 4 children, he is also having 4 children, then what will happen? He will have to feed his 4 children, himself and his wife. Means 6 person will come on 2.5 acre of land. So what will happen? This will make the land holding very small. Means 10 acre has got divided into 4. Now this will make the land holding smaller, and the person, all the 4 children who are working over the land, they are not having any other option of work, because in our country employment is very less and in comparison to the population. So what is happening? All the people, all the children, means all the 4 children, among all the 4 children and their family members, they are going to work over that land. Means one family was surviving on 10 acres. Now 4 families are going to survive on the 10 acres. So what they will do? They will use high amount of insecticide, pesticides, chemical fertilizers, so that they can get maximum amount of food grains. So this is also one of the cause, right of inheritance, means संपत्ति का जो अधिकार है, it is also one of the cause for the intensive farming, intensive subsistence. It is a need of the family. It is need of population, country, as well as need of the family. Then another type of farming is commercial farming. What happens in commercial farming? The farming is done to sell the grains, so sell the products in market to get money. Now for selling in the market, you will have to grow more food, and for that what will you do? You will use high yielding variety seeds, again the high doses of fertilizers, insecticides and pesticides. But in commercial farming, one thing is saying that commercial crop is not same everywhere. Somewhere commercial crop is one crop, and the other place that crop which was commercial there is not commercial. Means one crop which is commercial in one crop can be subsistence in other place. Like rice is subsistence crop of West Bengal, Odisha, and the same rice is grown in Punjab and Haryana as commercial crop. Means this shows that commercialization of crop varies or differs from one place to another. See the same thing I have written here. You can take a screenshot. Now in commercial crop itself comes plantation. But what is plantation? Plantation is growing of a single crop over a large area of land. And plantation is especially done to provide the raw materials for agro-based industries. Means those industries which are taking raw materials from agriculture, like jute industry, sugar industry, what is called cotton industry, and many other industries. They take raw material from the agriculture. Means they are agro based. Means the products from agriculture come to them, and these things are used as raw material. Means sugarcane is used as sugarcane is raw material, and it is used as raw material for making sugar. Then jute is used as raw material in jute industry. In the same way, cotton is used as raw material in cotton industry. The plantation is done over a large area. So what are the needs? A high dose of fertilizer, it is needed. But besides this high dose of fertilizer and insecticide, pesticide, irrigation, etc., capital is needed. हाई कैपिटल मीन्स बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा उसमें इन्वेस्ट करना पड़ता है. और उसके साथ साथ माइग्रेंट लेबरर्स मीन्स प्रवासी वर्कर्स, प्रवासी मजदूर, प्रवासी कामगार, प्रवासी श्रमिक, दे आर नीडेड फॉर वर्किंग देयर. प्लांटेशन बहुत लार्ज एरिया पे होता है. टी प्लांटेशन का नाम सुना होगा. वहाँ पे बाहर से लोग जाते हैं, मीन्स आसपास के एरिया के ही लोग, जो कि जहाँ काम की कमी है वहाँ से जैसे कि असम में, अगर बिहार के, झारखंड के, वेस्ट बंगाल के, इवन असम के ही जो लोग जाते हैं काम करने, मीन्स यहाँ काम की कमी है और लोग ज़्यादा हैं, तो जो लोग जाते हैं काम करने दे आर नोन एज माइग्रेंट लेबरर्स. अभी आप लोग सुन रहे होंगे कि ट्रेनें चलने की बात हो रही है, बहुत सारे आ भी रहे हैं प्रवासी मजदूर, माइग्रेंट लेबरर्स जो काम करने के लिए दिल्ली, मुंबई, राजस्थान, पंजाब, हरियाणा गए हुए हैं और अभी लॉकडाउन में फंसे हुए हैं, अपने फैमिली से दूर, खाने को लाले पड़ रहे हैं, बिकॉज दे आर नॉट गेटिंग वर्क. दे वर्क इज मीन्स एवरीथिंग इज अंडर लॉकडाउन, so they are moving, they are coming towards their home, they are coming towards their native place. Okay, now which crops are plantation, grown over plantation in India? So in Assam and North Bengal, tea is plantation crop, coffee is plantation crop in Karnataka, sugarcane in UP and Bihar, and banana is plantation crop of Bihar. See the places where plantation work is done, जहाँ पे plantation होता है वहाँ से सामान जो है, जो शुगर केन हो या फिर अदर प्रोडक्ट्स हो, कॉटन हो, जो भी हो, स्पेशली जो शुगर केन होता है, तो ये सारी चीज़ों को इंडस्ट्री में पहुँचाना है एज रॉ मटेरियल. तो होता क्या है कि दीज प्लेसेस द प्लांटेशन मस्ट बी वेल कनेक्टेड बाय ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड कम्युनिकेशन. अगर ट्रांसपोर्ट अच्छा नहीं रहा तो क्या हो जाएगा कि ये चीज़ें जो है, जैसे कि शुगर केन स्पेशली, ये जो है ये सूखने लगता है. तो और वेल कनेक्टेड होना चाहिए क्योंकि इन सामान को इंडस्ट्रीज में सेंड करना है. तो दिस इज़ द क्राइटेरिया. This is most important thing, that wherever you do plantation, wherever plantation is done, this place is near the market, well connected with transport, communication, and industry should not be far away. Thank you. Watch it and ask question or problem if you have. Soon I'll come with my next video. Thank you.